I'm Tammy Walsh. I'm the mother of 2 boys. One of the things that we need to work on is being able to restrict who is able to purchase the cough medicine so that we can limit the teens that are abusing, the number of teens that are abusing cough medicine. And one of those ways to do that could be through legislation to put an age restriction on those medicines that the cough medicines that teens are abusing. We would rather be proactive and be preventative than to be reactive to situations where we've